Hi guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. I'm going to be making slime with toothpaste. I already have my toothpaste. I've already mixed it in, and this is how it looks like this. And I'll give you a sneak. Any kind of toothpaste. Your toothpaste cannot have peroxide in it, or anything that like peroxide, baking soda, like that. Like I use the Crest, and I use I forgot to, let me go see guys. I'll be back. When I tell you. The name of it is Aqua Fresh. So you're just gonna need some I request you to use Crest, but I don't, because Crest dries up quicker and this one lasts longer. Because I tried both and I wanted to do a YouTube video with them. I did them. So you're gonna need Aqua Fresh. I request you do it with this one. If you have a different one, then you should try it still. And I've watched this YouTube video and it actually worked when I did it the first time. So you're just gonna need this. It'll turn out like this. And then you just wanna put it in the refrigerator for about 30 seconds, and then you want to check on it, and then you want to just stir it. So here we go, and I'm going to be back when it's done, babe. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you that if it goes over, you should be watching it while it's microwaving, because it might go over. So I'll be back when it's done. Sorry guys. So guys, I'm back and it's done. So it's really hot. You have to let it cool down when it comes out, and this is what it looks like right now. It's like really hot. So I'm just gonna have a little piece on here. Put down. I'm just gonna play with this. And this is what it's gonna look like. Like really. Oh gosh, I'm sorry for it falling down. I'm so sorry. But it's gonna look like this. I guess it's like not gonna be a big piece, but I'm gonna show you the final when I come back. So hold up. And guys, I forgot to say, do not add water to this or it will not work. So yeah. And you can use any, I'm just using a pencil. So see? Yeah. So, and do not put it in plastic or it will melt and your slime will mess up. No guys, I'll be back when it's finished. Looks like right now, but I'll be back when it's finished. So guys, I'm finished mixing it. This is what it looks like right now. I'll take it off. I'm just gonna take it out. Just take it out. And this is easy. I like to make it with toothpaste because it's easy to wash out. Because toothpaste, put water, it just like washes away. And this is what it looks like after. And this was the slime look. So I'm just gonna mix it all together. You just wanna play with it and knead it. And you don't like touch it every 30 seconds because it's hot when you take it out, and you don't want to touch it and then your hands start just burning. Because the first time it happened to me, it doesn't stretch much, but once you get to kneading it, it's gonna stretch. So if you want to stretch it first, it's not, because it's not ready yet. So yeah, I'm just kneading it and playing with it. So, and this is not ready yet. I'm trying to throw this in the dishwasher. And it went in, guys. That was so great. So I'm just gonna take this off the stick. And I ate EOGs today, guys. Today was my day. Yay! I want to be back, guys. I gotta go get this rack so I can get a mess. Guys, I'm back from getting my mess up. I'm still kneading it. Not ready. No, guys, I didn't knead it when I was cleaning up, so it's still the way. It might be hard, but still slime. Yeah, it doesn't stretch. It doesn't when it gets to all the way together, it's not gonna stretch a lot anyway. It's gonna stretch though, so yeah. I'm gonna keep on kneading it. So yeah. Yeah, it's not ready. But once it gets hard, it's not gonna really because right now it's really hard, and you see it doesn't stretch a lot, but it does turn into shapes. See how it stretches a little bit? So guys, that's it for today. For the video. My video wasn't really long, so sorry guys. But I'm running from my slime. And it stretch much better slime. And after a few hours, it might, in a few days, it might get like really sticky. So yeah. Yeah, this is how it looks. Alright guys. Hope you can still see. Okay, so this is, I want to get closer. So this is how it looks. It's a good slime you can play with. That was the one before because I didn't take it all together. Okay, there it goes. So guys, that's it. So that's it for today. My videos are usually Thursday. I just take this way, but that's all for today. So bye guys. The slime's gonna do it for me.